Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're keeping safe if you're at home, and if you're on the road, I hope you're keeping safer. In this video, I'm going to be doing a style that I did the other day. I was just testing it out. It came out pretty good, so I decided I wanted to do a video on it. And basically, I braided my hair and then I made a bob. So I'm gonna be calling it gonna be something that's like You will see it in the title once I come up with a name. Alright, let's get on to doing the style. So what you're gonna need for these is some hair ties. Maybe 1, 2, depends on how long your hair is. So 1, I'm gonna use 1 just to like section my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up in 1 or in 2, just how your hair is manageable. That's how you're gonna do it, and not too tight. So that's basically it. That's all I'm doing to section off my hair. Next thing you're gonna need is some rubber bands. I have a few here, so you just have them access, put them right in front of you. You don't have to be going into the bag or anything like that. And then I'm gonna do them pretty big. You can do them smaller if you choose. So just take out a few parts, a few locks, I should say, a few locks, and that looks like it's enough, maybe. Okay, then you're gonna just start braiding them. Just fit whatever you can into it. The small ones, I have some small ones in the back. I'm gonna braid those. And you can go ahead and test it to see if it's big enough. And if you want it bigger or smaller, then you can just start over. Shouldn't take a very long time. But that's what we're starting out with, braiding your hair. Okay, so once you are done, it's gonna be looking like this, nice and pretty. I use this as a protective style too. I'm not really ready to tighten my roots, so I normally just braid my hair, and that's it for me. Catch it up into a bun or something just when I'm not ready. Okay, so once you're done, you can attach an elastic band or just twist the end just like this. Depends on what you prefer. Once you're finished, you just fold it under like so. So I just tuck it in to the braid, and then I just get the elastic band, start wrapping it around it at the root. So basically, if you're doing a petal, then that's what it is. So you're just making this into a petal. Alright, and that would be the first one. Alright, you just go ahead, pick some to your liking, and you just continue to the next one. And that's the second one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of it off camera. I'm gonna come back, show you what it looks like, at least when I get to the top, because then you have to do some decision making. So see you in a bit. All right, so we're back with, I'm gonna do the top now. I don't think the last time I did it this big, because it's not taking me long to do as it did the last time. So either you want a center part for it or side part to the right or side part to the left. So basically, I'm not sure if this is too much hair for the front. I have to split these into 3. Maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. And we have that. And then we have these. But then that's too small. Alright, so we're just going to put them into 2. And I'm doing my part to this side. Because I always do that. I always do that. So, split them into 2. Try to make it as even as possible, the amount of strands in each. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just get these parts out of the way. So around at the back. And then, okay, then just braid these out. Alright, and that is what it looks like. Let me just, I'm gonna just a bit. You can add accessories. I'm not adding anything, but that's basically what it is. And so that is it from the back. I don't even know what it looks like from the back. And that's what that is. Your gorgeous protective hairstyle. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you like this style. I hope you try it at home. Tell me what you look down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. Bye.